Hey everyone, today I'm showing you a simple way to keep your little ones safe while sleeping. This is the IKEA Bed Guard model 504-65761. It's designed to prevent children from accidentally rolling off the bed, giving both parents and kids peace of mind. See how it works in real life. My little one can lie down safely without the risk of falling. The bed guard gives both kids and parents confidence, knowing that sleep time is safer. It's perfect for toddlers transitioning to a bigger bed or for those who move a lot in their sleep. The bed guard is lightweight and easy to handle, but sturdy enough to provide safety. Installing the bed guard is quick and straightforward. First, align it along the edge of the bed. Next, attach the clamps or screws depending on your model so it fits securely. Make sure it's tightly in place and does not wobble. The design allows you to fix it without any tools in some cases, making it hassle-free for busy parents. And here it is fully installed. The bed guard fits snugly and blends nicely with the bed. You can see that it provides a secure barrier while still allowing the child to get in and out of bed comfortably. It's suitable for most standard beds and does not take up much space. Overall, the IKEA Bed Guard 504-65761 is a simple, effective and practical solution to keep your children safe during bedtime. I highly recommend it for parents looking for peace of mind. Thanks for watching and happy parenting.